Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today what I got is a iPhone 12 Pro Max, and we are going to change the LCD display on an iPhone 12 Pro Max. So let's get started. So the first thing what we need to do is like remove the bottom two pentalobe screws here, which is a proprietary Apple screws. So that's the first one, and that one is the second one. And the next thing what we need to do is like heat up a little bit. So I'll just put that on a metal plate and then heat this one up. And then we are just looking for a small opening. This screen is like a bit sensitive, so you need to be very careful when you try to remove this one. Okay, so now what we need to do is remove the glass. Now, compared to the other iPhones, which normally opens this way, these phones open up as on the other side. So you need to be very careful with the ribbon cables and stuff. So now we got all the ribbon cables here. Now what we need here is just use a support, and then we have to undo all the screws here. Now that's the metal plate. As you can see, that metal plate comes off, and now we need to disconnect the battery, which is this one here. So that's battery got disconnected. Now let's disconnect the connection here. Now we have to undo all these screws here, so let's do it now. One, four. Okay, so now let's okay, now what we need to do is disconnect. Okay, now the screen came off, as you can see. Touch ID. So now we got the front screen off. We have to remove the Face ID. So let's remove the Face ID. Right, okay. Now we just give some heat. We'll just give some heat here. Okay, so we got everything here. Now we need to put that one back onto the new one. Let's get this one onto this. Okay, so now we got the screen here. So we got two connection, that one and that one. So I'll just show you that connection there and that connection, and then let's turn it on. Yeah, now test it. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with this. Now we can close the phone. The way, okay, before we close the phone, we need to put all the screws back. So let's do that. So just get some support here, and then that screw. One, two. So now all the four screws got back there. Now we need to put this one here. That's how it goes. And then we got all the screws. Okay, done. And now let's close the phone. So the way we close it is we just press from the top. Let's try to organize this. Okay. Now let's test this one. Perfect. Now let's get back. The last thing what we need to do is put the screws back in. That's it. So now you can see that's clearly that was the old screen and that's the new screen. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to our channel and like us, subscribers. Thank you.